Excuse me, driver. Stop. Can you stop here, please? Joe, you're too quiet. In a jeepney, your voice is your brake pedal. Watch this. Bayad Po!
Did you see that? The driver didn't even look in the mirror. He won't stop unless you say the magic word. Para. In a jeepney, silence is your enemy. If you don't know the right words, you're stuck. I'm breaking down the holy trinity of phrases every AFAM needs to survive the commute. Welcome back to Kanto Talk. Speak the Philippines, not the textbook. Today, I'll be teaching you the Jeepney Etiquette 101. How to commute like a local and not miss your stop. The first thing you need to know is Bayad Po. It means, here is my payment. Now, how do you pay when you're 10 feet away from the driver? You don't walk to the driver. You use the human conveyor belt. You hand your money to the person next to you and say, Bayad Po. They will pass it down the line until it reaches the driver. As soon as the money hits the driver's hand, don't wait. Give him the jeepney data immediately. The formula is simple. Number of people plus your destination. Never hop in without barya. Remember the golden rule, barya lang sa umaga. Pulling out a 1,000 peso bill is a rookie mistake that will earn you the deadliest look from the driver. No barya, no right. Always keep it small, Joe. If you're the one being handed the money, don't be a snob. Take it and pass it. It's the Kanto karma. Para po, meaning, stop please. But in a jeepney, it's a command. It's a way to tell the jeepney driver you're getting off. Don't be shy. If you say it too soft, you'll end up in the next city. You usually say this when you're within a few meters of your intended stop. Say it too early, and they might stop in the middle of a busy street. Another tip is, if the music is too loud, don't scream. Just take a coin and tap it against the metal handrail or just knock on the jeepney ceiling. That is the universal sound of, I need to get off before I end up in the wrong place. Every jeepney driver knows that sound. Review time. If you're starting to sound like a local, hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a lesson. Bayad Po means, here's my payment. Use this when you're passing your fare to the driver. Simple and essential. Para po, stop please. Para po, your go-to phrase when you reach your destination. Shout it loud. Barya lang means loose change only. Pro tip, always have small coins ready. Drivers love small change. You've got the basics. Now, let's level up with phrase 3, the precision stop. How to tell the driver exactly where to drop you off. Sa Kanto Lang means just at the corner. Or you can also say, Diyan lang sa tabi. It means just there by the curb. Sometimes, para po is too general. If you want to stop exactly at the street corner, you say, para po sa Kanto Lang. Use this when your destination is that specific intersection up ahead. Or if you need to hop out right now, use Diyan lang sa tabi. This tells the driver to pull over just there by the curb. Using these phrases shows the driver you aren't just a tourist. You're a local on a mission. You know the landmarks and bilingual. Want to sound even more natural? Swap the word po for ho.
And I didn't miss my stop.
Nice one, Joe. You're officially ready for the long haul ride to Manila.
There you go, mga katambays. You're now an official jeepney commuter. Remember, shout it loud, pass the money, and always watch your head. Ingat sa biyahe, and see you sa Kanto.
Next week, we're diving into the most dangerous phrase of your Filipino girlfriend.
I like
Bahala ka.
Is it a choice? Is it a trend? We'll find out.